Okay, folks, this is our training page here, and the link to this training page is right beneath this video that I'm creating right now. Let me show you a few things on here because it is a really good training page. I borrowed a lot of this information on here from another program and am using it on my program right now. This is one of the most important sites that I want you to sign up for. You can sign up here, you can sign up here, but with this quick ad, because over at this quick ad is a really good page where you can advertise debit card profits, and let me see, I think I've got an account here. The ads that I posted are right in there. But if you follow the directions on the training page over here, you're going to be able to post ads, as many ads as you want, really. And let me see here now. Here's the training page again. And post your free ad. First select the desired state, city, next, or town. And next click on the post a free ad button and select the category. Fill out all required fields and click on the continue button. Note, your free ad can be made featured, urgent, or be bumped to the top. Featured ads appear above the free regular ads and come up first in searches. Featured, urgent, or bumped to the top ads received considerably more visitors. Now, this is a copied ad here. But if you got your ClickBank encrypted code page, you could actually copy it in here. I'm going to copy this and put it in a text file and show you just exactly what I'm talking about here. All right. Now, you see this link right here? Anything that you replace that with is going to take the people to that page when they click on the Here button right here in that ad. And this is exactly what that ad is going to look like down here. Takes a minute for it to load. See, isn't that a nice picture? And everything is going to be handled by me. Any calls or anything like that inbound calls when people call in, it's going to be handled by me. So As you can see, we have some different down here too. These are nice little ads that come up. Looks nice, doesn't it? So I just wanted to touch base with you in this video, the third video in our series of 4, and let you know that you click on that link beneath this video and you're going to get into this training page, and that should help you a little bit knowing what to do with the posts and everything, because you want to put your encrypted link in there that leads the people to your website and nobody else's. You'll get paid for everybody that you refer and that joins with us. All right, thank you.